Alright everyone, did an old tunnel test when I had like a piece of straight pipe instead of a rear muffler. We're going to do that again. I have a real muffler now. It's like a Dynamax one. It's quiet as shit. We'll probably hear a nice exhaust leak, but I just wanted to compare it because, you know, it's an update. Why not? You hear a lot more engine noise, and I think it sounds better than the old just straight pipe. Like I said, a lot more engine noise. I think it sounds better. Hopefully it came out alright. I'm using the GoPro now. I think it sounds good. So